Hello friends, welcome to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off your auto rotate screen in your Redmi phone. Guys, you want to off guys your auto rotate screen like this, so you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off auto rotate screen in a Redmi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So as you can see guys, when you open your phone guys, you can see this auto rotate screen. So you want to off, so you can off it. So friends, now let's see how to off this auto rotate screen in a Redmi phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your auto rotate screen. Then you scroll guys, you can see your display settings. So guys, tap here, scroll it guys, you can see your auto rotate screen. So we will off from here. Then guys, you can see guys, when you will open guys YouTube, it will not rotate in your Redmi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.